To get flawless skin, you need to maintain a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. In addition, you can make use of natural ingredients, like aloe vera gel, that help to attain radiant skin. However, it is always essential to conduct a patch test for DIY recipes, and wait for at least 24 hours before applying them to the face. If you are struggling with major skin issues, it is recommended to consult your dermatologist before using home remedies. Certain foods to include in your diet for good skin are those that are rich in antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, healthy fats, and proteins. In addition, you must apply sun protection, stay hydrated, and mitigate stress for flawless skin. Today in this video, I will share aloe vera for flawless skin. Aloe vera contains bradykinase, an enzyme that helps reduce skin inflammation. It also contains essential amino acids and salicylic acid that possess antibacterial properties. Aloe vera has a moisturizing and anti-aging effect on your skin. It protects your skin from harmful UV rays. Overall, it is a wonderful remedy for healthy, hydrated, and soft skin. You will need an aloe vera leaf. Cut the leaf from the aloe plant and slice it. Be wary of the thorns present on the leaf's edges. Scoop out the gel present inside and transfer it to an airtight container. Apply some of this gel to your entire face and massage it in. Leave this on for at least an hour before washing it off with warm water. Store the remaining gel in a cool place. If you do not own an aloe vera plant, buy a bottle of organic aloe gel from the market. Conduct a patch test on your arm before using aloe vera on your face, as some individuals react adversely to the natural plant gel. Avoid if you have sensitive or allergy-prone skin.